Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can transfer files and folders between this Rocky Linux machine and the Windows 11 machine. So this is the Windows 11 machine. Now on this Windows 11 machine, we just need to install a tool called WinSCP, and we'll be using this tool to do an SSH connection between this machine and the Rocky Linux machine. On this Rocky Linux machine, we just need to make sure that we have SSH installed and it's active and running. We also need the IP address. So I'm just gonna open the terminal. Let's check the version we're running. I'll do cat hit C OS release. So it's version 10. Okay. Let's check if we have SSH installed. We'll use which SSHD. So we do have SSH installed. Let's go ahead and check the status of it. We can do sudo system ctl status sshd. Put in our password here. So it's enabled, it's active and running. Now if it wasn't installed, you can use sudo dnf install open SSH server. Okay, and if it wasn't running, you can do sudo system ctl start sshd. If it wasn't enabled, you can change this to enable sshd. Okay, if you have a firewall enabled, you'll need to allow SSH, so you'll need to do sudo firewall, then cmd add service equals ssh hyphen permanent. So I'm not running a firewall, and then you'll need to do sudo firewall cmd reload. Okay, finally we need the IP address. We'll use IP address command. Now the IP address is 192.168.1.246, so you'll need to take note of this IP. We'll need to input it on the Windows 11 device. Let's just see if we have a file here. I'll do touch test file 25.txt. Now I have a file. Let's go over to the Windows 11 device. Now on this Windows 11 device, we need WinSCP. We'll need to download it. So open a browser, search for WinSCP download. So we'll search for WinSCP download, go to winscp.net, scroll down a little bit, you'll see this option to download, click on it. The download is complete. You can close this browser. Okay, so go to your file explorer. This is the file. To install it, just double click on it, click install for all users, yes, accept, next, install, finish. Let's just close this out. Now we have a shortcut on the desktop. You can double click on it to open WinSCP. You'll get this window here. Now there's the protocols that you can use. You have SFTP, SCP. These are all secure. They use SSH. That's why we had to enable SSH on the Rocky Linux device. So just select either one of these. Put in the IP address for the Rocky Linux device. It was 192.168.1.246. And then put in the username and the password. Now if you run into issues connecting, you can do a quick troubleshooting by opening the command prompt, type in cmd, open the command prompt and verify that you can ping that Rocky Linux machine. So ping 192.168.1.246. Sure enough, I can ping it. So we can proceed. Once you have all this information input, you can click login, accept. Now you have some files and directories on your left. This is the Windows 11 machine. On your right, it's going to show the directories on the Rocky Linux device. So if I click on documents, you'll see the file that I created. Now when it comes to transferring files between the two devices, you just select a file and then drag and drop it to the other machine, click OK, and now it's transferred. Now if I go in here, I go into documents, you'll see the file. Same thing, I can go in the other direction, the opposite direction. I can transfer a file from the Windows 11 device to the Rocky Linux device. So I just need to select a file here, then drag and drop it to this device, and if I go to the Rocky Linux device and do ls, I should see that file there. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.